guys, today I will be installing the handheld stainless steel bidet sprayer. So I ordered this 2 weeks ago and it just arrived from Amazon.com. If you want to get one, I will put the link down below on the video description. So anyhow, let's get this video going. But before that, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is the toilet that I'm going to install this handheld bidet. So, okay, let's open this up. Here's the instruction. Okay, let's begin with this. This is the holder, or they call this stainless steel pot hook holder. All right. And we have here the copper water separator. And we have here the stainless steel sprayer head. All right. And we have this washer. We have this and this. So let's open at the bottom, and we have they call this explosion proof hose. So okay, the first step is shut off water supply to the toilet by turning the water bulb all the way to the right and should be a tap on the wall. Flush the toilet and hold down the handle to drain the tank. Let's get that going. Let's turn off the water first. Okay, now let's flush the toilet. It looks like we have no water. Alright, that's empty. Next, disconnect the flexible water supply from under the toilet. Let's put this towel under. So just in case we're not gonna get flooded on. Ensure the rubber washer is placed properly inside the top of the three-way adapter before connecting it to the toilet. Afterwards, reconnect the flexible water supply line to the bottom end of the three-way T adapter. Do not over tighten. So let's put this the rubber. There we go. We need to put the Teflon tape. Okay, and let's go ahead. I already have a Teflon here and Teflon on the side, so let's connect the water on the bottom. Now there is already a rubber in there originally, so let's go ahead and tighten that up. This is going to the sprayer, which is this one, the handle. All right, and so the other end, which is this one, so get this one in. Okay, Teflon is on. Now it is time to put this on. Now let's go ahead and put this. Okay, that's tight, and let's see what we do. I've got that hanging already. See if this will work. Okay, let's see if I did the job right. Let's turn on the water. Here we go. Okay, so far there is no leak anywhere. Open it wide a little bit. There's no leak at all. I must have done a good job. So let's look. Water is coming through. All right, now let's try this bidet. If this is going to work. Whoa. Wow, this is wonderful. Wow. There you go, guys. I have a bidet. You don't need toilet paper anymore. Good job, Aurora. You can spray a little bit so it's not very strong, or you can spray it all the way. Wonderful. Yes, I am done installing this handheld bidet. It was very easy. As you can see, it's already installed here. And let's go ahead and try this on. Split this up. Grab this. And let's do this. There you go. There is no leak at all at the bottom. So it's very easy. Anybody can do this. And if the water, the handheld, you can release the water slowly. Or you can press it all the way down for more water. There you go. If you have any question, guys, leave them down below. Thank you for watching Aurora's vlog. Bye.